Hi car enthusiast, welcome to your own YouTube channel, The Autoverse. Today, we'll be diving into the brand new 2025 Dacia Sandman, a versatile and budget-friendly compact SUV that is sure to turn heads. The 2025 Dacia Sandman comes in with a refreshed and modern design, catering to both urban drivers and adventure seekers, which strikes the perfect balance between practicality and style. The front end has been given a bold facelift with a sleek grille, redesigned headlights featuring full LED technology, and a rugged bumper that gives it a more assertive road presence. So the overall bodywork is clean and aerodynamic, with defined lines that make it look modern yet functional. With larger wheels and increased ground clearance, the Sandman looks ready to tackle any road, whether it's a daily commute or an off-road adventure. Under the hood, the new Dacia Sandman offers a range of efficient powertrains to suit different driving needs. There's a turbocharged 1.0-liter 3-cylinder engine that delivers great fuel efficiency without compromising on performance, as well as a more powerful 1.3 engine for looking for extra power. Both engines are mated to a 6-speed manual transmission or an optional CVT automatic for smoother gear shifts and a more relaxed driving experience. For eco-conscious drivers, a hybrid version is also available, combining fuel savings with reduced emissions, perfect for navigating both city streets and long-distance drives. Inside the cabin, the 2025 Sandman is all about comfort and functionality. It features a redesigned interior with improved materials and soft-touch surfaces, giving it a premium feel without the premium price tag. The highlight of the interior is the new 8-inch touchscreen infotainment system that comes with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The spacious cabin comfortably seats 5 with ample legroom and cargo space for everyday use. The seats are ergonomically designed for comfort on long trips, and the rear seats fold down for extra luggage space, making it perfect for family outings or weekend adventures. Safety is also a key focus for the 2025 Dacia Sandman. It comes equipped with advanced driver assistance systems, including lane departure warning, blind spot monitoring, emergency braking, and adaptive cruise control, ensuring a safe and secure ride for you and your passengers. Overall, the 2025 Dacia Sandman is a solid option for drivers who want a reliable, stylish, and budget-friendly compact SUV packed with the latest tech and features. If you enjoyed this review and want to stay updated on all things automotive, don't forget to subscribe to the Autoverse and turn on those notifications so you never miss our future videos. Thanks for tuning in, and see you next time with more exciting content.